All right, what's going on with your baby? It's Vax. What's happening? All right, I want to talk real quick about Target and UPS. Target, well, really not Target in itself, but Target's stock, right? And UPS. UPS is, I think, based on the fundamentals, right? And, you know, what's going on in social media, especially with Target, you should short Target, right? Think about shorting it. Right now, Target is going through some real controversial stuff. Very controversial. Target is, they're selling, however you feel about it, they're selling LGTB, I don't know how to say it, right? Transgender clothing to children. Rather if it's a brilliant idea or not, there's definitely a demand for it, right? And Target is the first store that's pushing towards serving these transgender children. However you like it, man, whatever, man. But Target is making a move ahead of demand. But it's a very controversial move. Now, I'm pretty sure that the board of Target, I haven't looked at the board, I haven't looked at who they are. I'm pretty sure that they knew what was going to happen, right? They knew what was going to happen in the news. They knew people were going to start crying about it and bitching and complaining, right? And they're probably anticipating a drop, right? They're anticipating a backlash. But guess what? Check this out. Any news is look, any publicity is good publicity, right? I mean, when's the last time somebody was talking about Target? Especially on social media, man. Wasn't nobody talking about Target, right? Wasn't nobody making videos about Target. When's the last time you talk about Target? I mean, people go to Target. People definitely shop at Target. You know, they got PlayStations, they got everything you need at Target, right? But wasn't nobody even considering, well, Target is a big company, but as far as social media, wasn't nobody talking about it, right? So they knew, right? And guess what happened? They dropped this clothing line. They didn't say nothing about it. They put it on their website, right? I'm not even sure if Target owns the clothing brand, but it's in Target. Target is selling it, right? So the community is in uproar, right? Which is understandable, man. Look, I am against forced or tricking kids or influencing them, should I say, that they might be a different gender, right? I'm against that 100%. Now, if you get older, right, you're a grown-ass man, you're a grown-ass woman, you grown. Rather if you pay your own bills or not, you grown. You can make your own decisions. You know what I mean? But when you're fucking 6 years old, come on. When you're fucking 4 years old, you know what I mean? Somebody still got to tell you when to take a shower, right? Somebody, look, your parents are still in control of what you eat for the most part, right? Now, I don't think that they should make a choice. I don't agree with that. I mean, especially when they go on TikTok and social media and they see these people saying that's okay to be you're a little boy trapped in a little girl's body, right? And you know, little kids get influenced by that, just like they get fucking influenced by Santa Claus, a certain religion, any religion, right? And they really think this shit is real, and they be like, hold up, I'm a little boy in a girl's body. That's why I'm feeling like that. Huh. And they had this cognition, and then they think they trans, but they're little kids, right? They go to school. You know, the influence is real. It's very controversial. And everybody gonna have something to say about it. But it's whatever. You know what I mean? When I was a little kid, there was no such thing as transgender. You was either a boy or a girl. Might have been a tomboy or a tom girl. Might have been a girl who liked sports. You might have been a boy who liked doing cooking shit, right? And you know, you was a tom girl or you was a tomboy, right? If you was a girl and you was rough, it was a tomboy. But it wasn't never anything like this. So I'm anticipating a big move on the open on Tuesday. And you got a couple days for this shit, yo. You got today and Memorial Day. And once that shit opens, watch the open. Watch the open. I think this is a Wall Street Journal right here. But anyway, I don't know what that is. Looks like the Wall Street. But anyway, UPS are in contract negotiations, right? And of course, right, the company doesn't want to pay. They're going back and forth with the union, right? It's going to be a strike. But that strike isn't going to happen until August, right? Or, you know, the contract negotiations, the contract is due, the contract is up in August, right? But, I'm out of breath. But they've been through this shit before. You know, these big corporations, they know. You know what I mean? They're going back and forth. It's going to take fucking 3 months to get a contract together, which I think is ridiculous. Right? But this is business for you, baby. You got to go through a lot of red tape, a lot of levels, and a lot of heads. A lot of people got to touch it before it gets done and gets finalized. And, you know, got to go through a bunch of regulations and stuff like that. But yeah, so why am I talking about stocks if this is a Forex trading channel? Well, depends on the broker you got. You can trade CFDs, right? You can trade CFDs. And if you got Target or UPS in your portfolio, you might want to think about, should you keep it in there? You know what I mean? But if you're a CFD trader, you can buy stocks on margin, right? You can actually you can leverage, and you can grab a lot of stocks. You can grab 1,000 shares on margin with CFDs. But like I said, or I didn't say it, but you better know what you're doing, all right? This shit is risky. You can lose a lot of money. Most motherfuckers lose money in this game than win money. And it's because there's a lot of bullshit information out there, a lot of bullshit on how to trade, a lot of bullshit on how to make money, a lot of bullshit on everything with the markets. A lot of wrong plays. A lot of motherfuckers want to get rich super quick, which is understandable. I want to get rich too, quick. You know what I mean? I damn sure want $100 million tomorrow. But probability of that happening, very small. I mean, I don't know how to do it, but I do know how to siphon out a couple $100 a day out the market. You know what I mean? Sometimes thousands. But anyway, watch those plays. Go watch the Target news. Go watch the UPS news. And stick to your fucking trading play, right? No matter what you do, stick to your plan, all right? And always remember, man, it's easier to watch a couple instruments than to watch a lot of them, all right? Stay focused, baby. I'll see you at the top.